Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at softglam, and do not forget to follow Belle Does Nails on Instagram as well. I want a glowy base, so I'm going to use one of my favorite mists. It's the e.l.f. Energizing Mist with citrus oil. I already have moisturizer on. It is not a fresh application, so that's why I like to mist before I really put anything on. And I'm going to use some of this Becca Backlit Primer. My child flicking her bean over at the window. We support Wild 'N Out. We support, yeah. Kosas Oil Tint number 6. I'm gonna use number 3 concealer, the Kosas Revealer Concealer, as a highlighting concealer under my eye. Eyes are already, they already have eyeshadow primer on them. I want to do like a fantasy cloud eye, pale pink as a base. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush just to start fluffing on this color. It's the J3 e.l.f. J Kissa brush. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's supposed to smell like PB&J, and it does. It's called That's My Jam, or it smells like jam. It does smell like it. The color is called Spread It. And then I'm going to take a Cosette D200 brush, and I'm going to also pack this under my eyes. I'm gonna use next this coral color, and this is from the palette Let's Play. And this color is called One Up, or like Level Up maybe. If that makes more sense. You pack it on with this signature collection brush. I don't know what number it is and the name, sorry. Okay, I need a different brush. It's just not. I didn't want to have to get up and get more brushes, but I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna use this Lila Bee All Over shadow brush instead to pack on this color. Bit more of Spread It back onto the brow bone. Back into That's My Jam, and I'm going to take Jam Session, and I want to make a little more of a defined shape up here, so it can look more like a cloud. This is very pigmented, so this totally works to not wet the brush. Cool. Violet Femmes, which is a pretty cool name for that. Might be more of like using your finger kind of situation. I'm gonna highlight with Easter Egg off of this Let's Play palette. Ooh, that's cool. Do you ever like crunch down on your teeth and it sounds like you got sand in there? I don't know what that's about. I don't know what that could be. Highlighting with this color now, Easter Egg. Why not? I'm gonna take Cheese Louise from this Light My Fire palette, and this one is supposed to smell like cinnamon, and it does. It's a fresh cinnamony essence. Like, just experiment by putting this on the lash line. Okay, cool, I like that. I'm gonna go all the way out. It's kind of like 80s punk look, but with pastels. It's transforming into a different moment, and that's okay. Fenty Mocha Matchstick, because I'm not really sure where it's all going. What the heck not? This to me looks like the color of Lilu's hair in Fifth Element. Comment below if you disagree. And you hate that I just said that. It's been so long since I filmed. Talking to myself feels crazier than normal. I can blend this. Using Lila B Be Vibrant as the kind of like highlighting shade that's gonna kind of zip everything up at the ends of my eyes. I'm gonna go under. So I'm just putting a little bit more sparkle here with the color We Be Jammin'. Which I'm really liking. I'm just gonna carve this out a little more with this brush with the purple, just to kind of get rid of these thingies that I'm not sure about. Like, they're still patchy, but they're like purposeful. I'm really loving this Natasha Denona blush duo, and it's just like a baby pink golden coral. And I'm gonna use this MAC brush. And just do like the smallest amount of blush. Like, I don't want a ton. Just a little to pick up my cheeks. And then I'm obsessed with this Smashbox Spotlight in Pearl. It's a highlighting palette, and I've been going for this champagne-y colors. And then I'm going all over my face. I go kind of ham with it. I just realized how dark it was in here, how you couldn't literally see anything. I am so sorry. Let's spritz the skin, shall we? And just let all my glow come out. Because it's such a powdery highlight, but just want to get a lot of sheen in the cheeks. This tutorial ended up being a little bit more complicated than I hoped for, but that's okay. It's a part of the process. I decided I want to go really ham with the red underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna just like continue to do that a little bit, and with the Cheese Louise shade. Yeah. Okay, so I took off those little squiggles, and now I'm just filling in, making this really diffused, and just like going right in this part of my eye and right on top and darkening. Monkey! So loud. I feel like I'm finally happy with this, and this is more me anyway. And then just to soften the purple again, I'm gonna take this Morphe brush and just go over this lavender color One more thick coat of mascara. Nude Lip Stain and Melon Smoothie. And that's it. That's the finished look. Thanks for coming along on this journey, even though I did not know what I was doing the entire time. I really do enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I'm sorry that I have been MIA for the last couple of weeks, but I promise there's more if you stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SoftGlam, and do not forget to follow Belle Does Nails on Instagram as well.